What's up, guys? Hope you're having a good day. Just wanted to break down this little trade I did that made me $170. That brings me up to $1,358.48. Still working towards that 3K goal. Just really focus on being patient, disciplined, making sure direction is clear. And I actually made that mistake today. And I'm going to break it down here and explain why I'm actually not even considering today a green day. And today is the first day in a very long time that I actually did not trade my strategy, and I'm going to explain why. So, open range high was 16,716. Open range low was 16,658. Now, as you can see, we did get rejected at this moving average, bounce off the open range support, and we did ride the EMA for a little bit, but we kept getting rejected at this moving average. Now, this is where I went short, and I'm going to explain why. Right here, we kept getting rejected around the 16,700 range, and which is almost close to where this open range resistance was at. Well, because even though we weren't hitting lower lows and lower highs, because we did get rejected pretty fast and we broke below the moving average, I went short. I don't know how I do it sometimes, guys. I don't know if it's a stroke of luck. I don't know if it's because I literally have my finger like ready on the trigger every single time I make a trade. But I got out at about right here when we actually cracked the EMA. We did break a little bit below and hit down to 16,681. It looks like, but then as you can see, we had a strong rally, break a beautiful open and break above the open range resistance, hit a higher high, and had that beautiful retest that I wish I would have got in at. But and I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's not that I lack patience. It's just I didn't really. Every single time we would break above the moving average, would get rejected. You know, we even had a good 5, 10 minutes, about 8 minutes right here, where we were just struggling to break above the EMA. So in my eyes, the way I saw it was, hey, if we get rejected at this range and we break below this moving average, I could easily see us pulling back to the open range support, and that was my plan to get out. But as you can see, I didn't see a lot of some selling momentum. We weren't getting those strong bullish red candles, so I just got out. Honestly, because it was my first time trading outside that strategy, I won't lie, I had a lot of anxiety. I was really anxious the moment I played the trade. I did hold it for about 4 to 5 minutes, which is around the normal time I'll hold some of my trades. But I was really anxious, and the moment we cracked the EMA, I was like, if we don't crack the EMA and we don't get a strong dip, like a strong bearish red candle, I was like, I'm gonna get out. And honestly, I just didn't feel it just didn't sit right with me, guys. I've worked so hard on this 15-minute open range strategy and just trying to perfect it and make sure I have all my criteria that have to be met for me to have a successful trade. But yeah, definitely not considering today a green day in any way. On top of that, even when I went short right here, guys, direction was not clear. We weren't hitting lower lows and lower highs, and so that's one of the big reasons why I consider a red day. Not just because we had the strong rally. There's been plenty of times where I've went short and we recover, or I've went long and we have a strong pullback and I got caught in it. You guys have seen those plenty of times. But the fact is that direction was not clear. It was a very risky trade. I got in right here, and at one point I was down almost $250, guys. This was not a green day in any way in my eyes. I don't even consider this 170. I don't give a shit about the 170. I'm more upset, and I made sure to write down a bunch of notes because I really want to make sure that I don't make the same mistake. There's no reason for me to put myself into a position of risk if direction's not fucking clear. I have to be better about this, and I know I can, and I will. And I'm going to make sure I don't do the same shit tomorrow. But again, like I talked about yesterday, there's a good chance I'm not going to trade tomorrow on Wednesday because on Thursday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we have the CPI and the core CPI. And then on Friday, we have the PPI and the core PPI. And direction tends to be unclear the day before the CPI in the past. So unless direction is clear as day, that is the only way I'm possibly going to trade. But besides that, I'll probably just do a stock market breakdown for tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please smash that subscribe button, like this video, comment below. Let me know how you guys did today. If you guys had a green day, let me know what led to your success. If you guys had a red day, let me know what led to your failures and things that you did wrong. I'm showing you guys mine. I would love to see your guys' too. Hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.